The exploration of split brain experiments has propelled our understanding of the human mind in surprising ways. These experiments predominantly study individuals whose corpus callosum, the major connection between the brain's two hemispheres, has been severed, often as a last resort treatment for severe epilepsy. What researchers have discovered goes beyond the initial medical motivations, delving into the fascinating realms of consciousness, identity, and the notion of self. In a typical split brain experiment, an individual is presented with two different sets of stimuli simultaneously, one targeting each hemisphere. Since the communication between the two sides of the brain is severed, each hemisphere operates independently, almost as if there are two distinct minds inhabiting one skull. For instance, if the word apple is shown to the right hemisphere, which lacks the ability to produce speech, the individual may not be able to verbally communicate what they see. However, they might be able to draw an apple with their left hand, demonstrating understanding without verbal articulation. These findings suggest the possibility of multiple selves existing within a single individual. The idea challenges the classical perception of a unified consciousness and raises philosophical questions about identity. Are there separate streams of consciousness that exist independently within each hemisphere? Or is there one dominant self that merely oversees and integrates the activities of both hemispheres? The implications of these experiments are profound. They invite us to reconsider not just the way we understand brain function, but the very essence of human identity. If two distinct trains of thought can operate independently within the same person, it prompts us to ask what defines the essence of an individual. Are we singular beings with a split nature, or are our identities a delicate truce between multiple conscious perspectives? This exploration continues to spark debate and research, encouraging scientists and philosophers alike to examine the mysteries of the mind and the concept of the self. The split brain experiments have not only advanced neuroscience, but also opened doors to deeper philosophical musings about what it means to be human, our consciousness, and how much of our identity might be dual in nature, hidden within the folds of our brain.